Great traditional Larchmont home on quiet, sought-after street west/lovely landscaping and welcoming front porch. Downstairs west/large living room west/custom molding and gas fireplace, dining room, kitchen west/walk-in pantry and access to covered back porch and laundry room, 2 bedrooms and full hall bath. Upstairs has 3 bedrooms, large, full hall bath and easy access attic storage. Newly refinished hardwood floors throughout, high-efficiency gas furnace, 2019-17 Sear air conditioner, 2014, 35 years fiberglass shingle roof, 2011, Hardie board exterior siding, 2011, Pella insulated replacement windows, 2012. Detached 2-car garage, as is, and large backyard west/beautiful oak tree,